Mr. Vice President, Iceland condemns Russia's brutal war of aggression against Ukraine, which is a blatant violation of international law, including the UN Charter. The human suffering and loss of life stemming from Russia's invasion must end. Enforced disappearances of children, torture and systemic use of sexual and gender-based violence are grave breaches of international human rights and humanitarian law. Justice must be done and perpetrators of violations and crimes must be held accountable. Mr. Vice President, Iceland is appalled by Israel's decision to resume airstrikes and shelling in Gaza, with hundreds of Palestinians killed. The human suffering we witness every day is shocking and must end. Humanitarian aid must be restored. Iceland supports the investigations of and accountability for all violations of international law, including international humanitarian law. We call on all parties to return to talks to implement the second phase of the ceasefire deal. Hostages must be released and hostilities must end. The people of Israel and Palestine deserve to see movement towards a political settlement in line with international law. As regards Afghanistan, I refer to the joint statement I delivered on behalf of a group of countries earlier in this debate. Afghan women and girls continue to show incredible courage and leadership, and we all bear the responsibility to ensure that their voices are heard and their human rights are upheld. In Belarus, we are deeply concerned by the widespread human rights violations and systemic repression, including through political imprisonment and persecution. The Belarusian authorities' extreme response to every expression of dissent must end. We remain alarmed over the continued catastrophic humanitarian and human rights crisis the people of Sudan endure due to the unrelenting conflict. In China, we continue to be alarmed by the human rights situation in Xinjiang. We urge China to meaningfully cooperate with OHCHR and to abide by its obligations under international human rights law. In closing, Iceland refers to the Nordic Baltic statements, including on Myanmar, Iran, Ukraine, Syria, Belarus, DPRK, and Venezuela. I thank you.